Hi children, welcome back to our SS classroom. How are you all? Fine? Very good. All of you take our textbook page number 203. Page number 203, States of India. Are you ready? Take this page. Then look at the page. Let us begin. To which state of India do you belong? Which state? Yes, Kerala. All of you write the Kerala in our state. Kerala. Okay, then second question. Mention two cities in your state. Mention two cities in your states. You write two cities names in our state. Yes. Calicut. Calicut. Then any other city? Yes. Kochi. Okay. All of you right? Then look at the chapter. This chapter I did one time. All of you follow. India is a big country. It is divided into 28 states and 8 union territories. We have two types of government. The central government and the state governments. The central government is responsible for the welfare of the people of entire country. The state governments take care of the states. Every state has its own capital and its government is based in that city. For example, the government of Kerala has its offices in Thiruvananthapuram, the capital of Kerala. The governor, the chief minister, other ministers and senior officers works and live in the state capital. The central government is based in New Delhi. New Delhi is the capital of India. The president, the vice president, the prime minister, other ministers and senior officers of the central government works and live in New Delhi. The President of India live in the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Take next page. In addition to being responsible for the welfare of India as a whole, the central government takes care of the 8 union territories. Of these union territories, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands are the largest in area, while Lakshadweep is the smallest. Look at the No more. Gandhinagar, the capital of Gujarat, is named after Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, the father of our nation. Okay, children, this chapter we already discussed about India, central government in India, then 28 states and 8 union territories. Central government in New Delhi, President, Vice President, Prime Minister, other ministers and senior officers. Then 28 states have state government. Governor, Chief Minister, other ministers and senior officers, including the state governments. Then 8 union territories governed by central government. Union territories governed by central government. All of you understand this chapter? Very good. Then listen. All of you take page number 205. This page 205. Exercise. Now we are going to exercise. Exercise A. Write T for the true statement and F for the false statement. True or false? Are you ready? Take your pencil. Then all of you look at the board. True or false? First question. There are 28 states in India. Then second question. The governor, chief ministers and other ministers live in the state capital. Third question. State governments look after union territories. Then fourth question. Lakshadweep is a union territory. The fifth question. Each state has its own capital. Listen. First question. There are 28 states in India. There are 28 states in India. True or false? How many states in our India? Yes, 28 states. So this statement, yes, true. You put T, capital T. T for true. Then second question. The governor, chief minister and other ministers live in the state capital. Governorum, chief ministerum, other ministersum state capital-ലാണ് ജീവിക്കുന്നത്. The statement is true or false? Yes, very good. This statement is true. True. Okay, look at the next question. State governments look after union territories. State governments look after union territories. This statement True or false? State governments look after union territories? No. Central government look after union territory. That statement is correct. So, this statement is false. Then you put F for this. F for false. Next question. Lakshadweep is a union territory. Lakshadweep is a union territory. This statement true or false? Tell me the answer. Yes, Lakshadweep is a union territory. This statement is true. You put T. The last question. Each state has its own capital. Each state has its own capital. This statement true or false? Yes, each state has its own capital. This statement is very true. You put true. T. Okay, look at the board once again. There are 28 states in India. This statement true. The governor, chief minister and other ministers live in the state capital. This statement is true. Next, state governments look after union territories. This statement is false. Then Lakshadweep is a union territory. This statement is true. Then each state has its own capitals. This statement also true. Children, all of you take page number 206. Page number 206. Do you see? Match the following. Look at the map of India. Match the states which its capital. Match the following. Are you ready? With your pencil? Okay. Follow me. First you look at the board. Manipur, Kerala, Jharkhand, Tamil Nadu and Gujarat. Manipur, Kerala, Jharkhand, Tamil Nadu and Gujarat. This side, Ranchi, Chennai, Thiruvananthapuram, Gandhinagar, Imphal. Ranchi, Chennai, Thiruvananthapuram, Gandhinagar and Imphal. These 5 are states and these are capitals. Do you understand? These are states and these are its capital. All of you match the correct answer. First one, Manipur. Which is the correct answer? Capital of Manipur. Yes. Capital of Manipur? Imphal. Draw one line. Imphal. All of you do? Then next state, Kerala. Kerala is our state. Our capital? Yes, Thiruvananthapuram. Then you draw one line here. Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram. Next, Jharkhand. Capital of Jharkhand. Remember? It is the capital of Jharkhand. Ranchi, Chennai, Gandhinagar. Which is the correct answer? Yes. Ranchi is the correct answer. Okay, next one. Tamil Nadu is the nearest state of our Kerala, Tamil Nadu. Which is the capital of Tamil Nadu? Chennai or Gandhinagar? Which is the correct? Yes, Tamil Nadu, Chennai. Chennai. The last one, Gujarat. Yes, Gujarat's capital, Gandhinagar. Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation, birth in Gujarat. So this state capital also called Gandhinagar. Okay, listen once again. Manipur, Imphal, Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram, Jharkhand, Ranchi, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Gujarat, Gandhinagar. All of you done? Children, today's class is over. This chapter's question and answers will send your WhatsApp groups. Okay. We will meet our next class. Okay, bye.